You guys know I love Gap. Their clothes are quality for the price point, which is a plus because that price point is super affordable. And they make clothes in tall sizes, which is great for me because I'm 6'5". Let's go through this haul. Up first is this denim shirt. Out the gate, I'm super tight because this is not the color I ordered. What I ordered was a lighter wash, but let's try it on anyway. The fit is cool, it works, and I might exchange it for the right wash, but I don't know, I'm not crazy about this. I don't really need it. Next is a camo flannel. The material is an organic cotton, which will serve me well as we transition from summer to fall, which is my favorite time of the year for fashion, by the way. The fit works, sleeves are long, length is long. I'm real good for throwing on a flannel when it's 55, 60 degrees. My flannel game is A1. Next, we have these slim jeans in a washed black. Yo, Gap jeans are so good. And because I'm tall, I need a 36 length. Gap has me covered. These feel good on me. They're durable, and this wash is super fire. I love it. And finally, we have the Dapper Dan collab hoodie. They literally changed the G to a D and raised the price $50. Quality is decent. I mean, it's a Gap hoodie, but it's Dapper Dan and it's culture, so that justifies everything else. All in all, I'm cool with the haul. My name is Armand Wake Up, and this is Model Ministry.